experts reveal remarkable benefits of adding black pepper to your diet. For years, doctors have been urging us to cut down on foods rich in salt, sugar, and trans fats. But black pepper is normally not mentioned in the same breath. New research actually suggests the common household spice could be good for you, with surprising health benefits that have been overlooked until now. Researchers from Kansas State University have highlighted a connection between black pepper marinades and heterocyclic amines, HCAs, chemicals created when meat is cooked at high temperatures that are linked to cancer. When the researchers marinated a half-pound of ground beef with a teaspoon of black pepper, they found that the spice counteracted the HCAs almost entirely, making the cooked meat much healthier. If just the thought is making you sneeze, the study's authors say a milder blend of pepper, oregano, rosemary, and other spices would do the trick too. And lowering your cancer risk isn't the only benefit black pepper has to offer. Studies on animals suggest that adding pepper to your diet could improve your gut flora and help your body absorb nutrients. Pepper is also a good source of antioxidants, which stabilize the natural byproducts of your body that cause cell damage, helping to prevent visible signs of aging and conditions like vision loss. One explanation for pepper's surprising health effects involves pepperine, one of the organic compounds that gives the spice its signature flavor. Pepperine seems to help the body absorb anti-inflammatory chemicals like curcumin and resveratrol, which are normally broken down in the digestive system. Along with lowering your cancer risk, absorbing more of these chemicals could help lower your risk of developing brain disorders, heart disease, and diabetes. It's still unclear how much black pepper you need to ingest to unlock these health benefits, which means we don't really know whether a dash of the spice will make a difference for you. Overindulging in pepperine supplements could also interfere with certain medicines because the compound has an absorptive effect similar to black charcoal. But so far, researchers show there are few downsides to seasoning your food with black pepper, and a whole bunch of potential health benefits. The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories, stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories, jojostories.com.